Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma hakasi palai jong katayo ula pentikna bagi jinglong jingman jong kesan pertai ya Kejala Manipur kanom dan jeng ketak setia ya kesan pertai ha Kejala Meghalaya. Kamtam menta belami kejing ekran halor ka samoi bujli Menteri Sarkar jong kiseng san pertai kibe trailang ha ke Sarkar senrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Kasan pertai ya Kejala Manipur keladan hapedeng ka kendram menta na kejing mino jong ka National People's Party NPP na ke Sarkar keblai lam ke BJP bat ke NPP kabadan sangut ke MLA ha ke Kejala kalarai banlet kershan no ekaseng Kongres ha ke bantau ke Sarkar ke berteman. Kini kejing mi jong ke NPP kelajaru hadian kejing ian okam jong ki laingut ke MLA ke BJP na ke Sarkar. Halor kini karai banlet kershan ke Kongres kilabun ke bapai kemat bakum kini kejing long jengman kalaru banja ha Kejala Meghalaya. Ha kebani kejing trailang jong ke NPP bat ke Kongres. Kini kejing jah Manipur kala penlong husiar ya kiseng ruluam ke badan ha ke Sarkar MDA ha Meghalaya. Kabel penbor yu Menteri Rangba Kejala bat Presiden ru jong ke NPP ban ajing penshash ki perlok ba kejing jah ha Kejala Manipur kan amdan jing keta setia kesan pertai ha Meghalaya. Habai keren pekilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ula penti kena ba kene kejing jah Manipur kan am keta Kejala Meghalaya. Bat ula pentip ru ba ula dep pentip bat keren bat ki perlok bai trailang ha ke MDA ba kim dai ban sengutu bakla. Habakran halor kesan pertai ha Kejala kejing keren kelami ru menta halor kasamoi bujli Menteri Sarkar jong ki katukani kiseng san pertai keberan hapok ke Sarkar MDA kamtam kaseng People's Democratic Front keberan sangut ke MLA ke HSPDP bat ke BJP keberan mar arngut ke MLA. Habathaw ke Sarkar MDA kini kilai teli giseng kila syemekarai babarok ke MLA jong ki kini ok bentalang bansyong ha syuki menteri da ke bujli menteri hadian kasamoi ba arsenam shiteng. Kani kejing ekran kalami hadian baka PDF kalayo ke bahak batang arngut ki MLA na ki saungut bakini olong ki menteri ke HSPDP bat ke BJP pat ke beran arngut ki MLA kini tang mar ko bai ki syuki. Kani kasamoi bujli menteri kala banja hau nailur hadian baka Sarkar MDA kan kenjo arsenam shiteng ha kejing bat ulakam kejing sensyar ha Kejala. Ha batwa jengmut ikanian Menteri Rangba Kejala Conrad Kongkal Sangma ubadairu unong yalam ke MDA. Ula kerensyai bakajing bujli ke syuki menteri ke syong hakarai jong kiseng san pertai ke badan hapo ke kenhun. Halor kejing keli Menteri Rangba ula pentip bah kepor bathaw ya ke Sarkar MDA. Kaladan kejing ai bah kiseng san pertai bat kan nungut bakin thung ya ke Menteri Sarkar. Badai halor kene ke nongrim bau wi mentah kejing start jong kiseng san pertai bakin syem rai halor kene ke kam.
The decision and the situation that is unfolding in Manipur has a lot to do with the leadership at that level there. So I think it's more of an individual based and centric issue. So therefore it will not have any impact in the state on Meghalaya. And we have already discussed with all our partners out here. And the main reason has been, as I said, some concerns regarding the leadership of the Chief Minister in Manipur. And there were situations where some of the portfolios were taken away from some of our ministers. Some interference also was there. So there were some concerns by the honourable ministers, and we have raised this issue also at the central level, to the central BJP level. And but whatever case may be, since we have decided to work together, we continued. But it is only when the three MLAs from BJP itself resigned, I think that triggered the entire sequence of events that took place. See, in a coalition there are always concerns. It's never simple and easy. So I think it's important that there should be continuous dialogue, continuous discussion, and continuous process through which you resolve small issues before it becomes big. So there were concerns that were raised earlier. I guess I'm not here to blame anybody, but maybe they were not able to resolve those situations, as I said, and which led to the building up. But let's see, we're discussing. We'll try to see how to move in the future.
A few months from now, MDA government is going to complete it 2.5 years. Will there be any kind of reshuffle in the cabinet?
No, we are very clear in our stand as a party, as a MDA, and me as a Chief Minister, that we have told all our partners that there is a quota for each of the political parties. And based on that quota, the numbers have been given to them. It will be the decision of that particular political party as to who would be the minister in that particular quota. And that is not something that I as Chief Minister will intervene, but it will be a political decision of the respective.
Hagani kejing kendo bagilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ke jela ula pentip bru basyan ke sorkar jela kan sedang no ya kejing delilam bat kejing kayi yu doyong ba arlak metrik ton ubala supelang top akaleng ki distrik jong ke jela. Hadian kejing penbet bat ke Coal India Limited kat kum kejing betha bat ke hukum jong ke yang syari Supreme Court. Ula pentip bakani kejing lilam bat kejing kayi kan sedang no hapok kini kishpos ngi banwan bat ke sorkar jela kalak mi lenti bakan yo lum khajna om dunai ke arpau klor tengka na uni doyong. Uloong bak kejing lilam ya ke arlak metrik ton kadai shua tang kejing persang menpet kumno kaya. Shua benilam ya berok laipu arlak metrik ton ubaladap ajing ken syakayang syari. Upentip udoyong balai pu arlak metrik ton udan mentah keleng distrik bakentop ya nyopusan hajar metrik ton ha East Gentia Hills, sanpo hajar metrik ton ha West Khasi Hills, arpusan hajar metrik ton ha South West Khasi Hills, bat sanpo hajar metrik ton ha South Garo Hills.
Yes, in fact we have already had a meeting with MSTC. And the entire procedure of the auctioning has finally been finalized with MSTC and Government of India and Coal India. And I think the process now that MSTC has cleared the entire process on how it will be done, I think I hope that we'll be able to initiate the actual auctioning process in about a week or 10 days time.